Hello everyone, it's Annie with a tutorial for how to make a flower collage. Not only are they easy to make with easy to find materials, but they're also great if you want to make a cover of a greeting card or a decoration. To make a tile background, first draw a grid made of 1 x 1 inch boxes. The size of the boxes will depend on the measurement of your cardstock. Then, cut out pieces of paper that fit into the boxes on your grid. You can use any color for your background, but I like using black and white so I can create more contrast against the color of the flowers. Also, try to create a theme with your background, such as by using certain patterns or letters. Now, assemble your background by gluing the squares you cut out onto the boxes in the grid of your cardstock. To create your flower, choose a color and cut out petal shapes from a magazine picture in that color. I like to use pictures with different shades, patterns, and words to highlight the unique texture of the collage. Then, glue the petals in a spiral to create the flower. To finish, cut off the edges of the collage so that it's even on all sides. And there you have it, a flower collage. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. And be sure to let me know what videos you'd like to see in the comments.